Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra, in this reading, I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you. Okay, your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy, and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Libra. Okay. So we have Six of Wands, Page of Wands, Ten of Pentacles. Okay. Now let's see what are your energies towards your partner, Libra. King of Pentacles. Wow. Nine of Pentacles. The Sun. Oops. Okay. Let's see what is the mutual energy. The Emperor. And the future potential of this relationship is the World. Okay. So these are your partner's energies towards you. Okay, these are your energies towards your partner. Okay, this is the mutual energy, and this is going to be the future potential of this relationship. Okay. So Libra, your person feels about you that you have everything in life. Okay, with this Ten of Pentacles. Okay, and you have everything in life, be it good home, be it family, be it friends, be it colleagues, be it loved ones, be it material things, be it financial things. You have everything in life. Okay, and they also see you as someone who is who always get victory, whatever deed you do, okay, in life. Okay, and plus I feel that they want to see you victorious always. Okay, there is a deep desire, or there is a deep fear within your partner's heart. I feel, Libra, that they feel that maybe you, I mean, they think like that, they think that you have everything in life, so that you are not going to accept their love, or accept their proposal, or accept their emotions. Okay, and they see you as someone who is always victorious. I mean, they see you as someone who is, if you are doing anything, that you make sure that you win at the end. Okay, but Libra, I feel with this Page of Wands, your person feels about you that you, when it comes to them, you just hold back your emotions, you just don't take any action towards them, you are just being silent towards them. Okay, with this Page of Wands, they feel in the same manner for you. Okay, so first is that they feel that you have everything in life, and you are not going to accept their proposal, their love, their emotion for you. Okay, plus they see you as someone who always get victory, who always try, or who loves to win, basically. Okay, and that's why you does not want any other person, who any person in your life who is, I basically, they feel that you are being judgmental towards them. Okay, with this Page of Wands, they feel that you can take certain action towards them, but you are not doing it. Okay, they are seeing you, I mean, yeah, I feel that they are not seeing you, but they are just, I mean, they are just sitting calm and composed, and they are just waiting for the right time, so that you they just want to see that by when you are going to text them, or call them, or to communicate with them. Okay, they know that you can take action towards them, but I don't know why you are not taking any action towards them. Okay, I mean, they are also like so confused right now. They are seeing you that you have every ability to make this relationship happen, but you are not doing it. Okay, I don't know why you are into some waiting energies. You are holding back a lot right now. So these were your partner's energies towards you, Libra. Now let's see what is your energy towards your partner. Okay. Libra, I feel that you want your person to be independent right now, okay? Or you are seeing them as someone who is very independent, okay? They have everything in life, this Nine of Pentacles, okay? You see them as someone who is very blessed, okay? Who is very independent, who is not relying on any other person for their happiness, okay? You are seeing them as a confident person, as a strong person, okay? That's how you are seeing them, Libra. And plus I feel that you want them to take certain action towards their finances with this King of Pentacles, sorry. So with this King of Pentacles, either you want them to take certain action towards their money or finances or goals, plus or you are seeing them that they have achieved certain levels in life, but they are very silent and they are very sad, because they are independent, they are totally all alone, they have no one to share their emotions, they have no one to share their feelings, okay? So you are seeing them from a distance that this person has started something new towards their career, finances and goals, and they have now achieved certain goals in life, but they have nobody to share their emotions, okay? They have money, they have material things, but when it comes to emotions they have no one to share it with, okay? The Sun. So with this Sun card, I feel that Libra, you even though you want your person to pursue their deep dreams, pursue their career, finances or goals, but I feel that deep down you feel complete happiness with them, okay? You feel a bright day with them, you feel there is a new excitement within you whenever you talk to your person, okay? So you feel happy with them, you feel bright with them, you feel a clarity with them. And for some of you, I feel that when you are seeing that your person is doing great in their career or finances and goals, now you are seeing that everything is really clear now, okay? Some clarity is there in this relationship. Maybe now you want to take certain action towards a person, okay? So these were your energies towards your partner, Libra. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. Okay, Libra, I feel that it's your person with this Emperor card, okay? They are showing their masculine qualities, okay? They are just doing whatever is required to maintain a balanced life, okay? Or a good life, okay? They are taking actions towards their life, they are taking action towards their career, finances and goals, okay? With this Emperor card, I also feel for some of your partners that they are hiding their emotions, okay? If you guys are not in communication, or if you guys are not communicating with each other, so now this is the time that your person is not going to uh, break the ice. They are not going to come forward and start conversation with you, so they are just being into Emperor no energy, and they are just hiding their emotions, okay, Libra? And I feel the future potential is definitely going to bring some good news for both of you with this World card, okay? I feel that big change is about to happen for both of you in coming future, okay? The energies which are you in both of you are in right now, that energy is going to break and something new is about to start in your life, okay? If you guys are not communicating, if there is no communication between you two, then I feel that there is some communication is definitely going to take place in coming time with this World card, okay? And for some of you, both of you will realize in future that yes, this is the partner which whom you would like to take which whom you would like to spend rest of your life, okay? Yes. So Libra, I feel that you guys are dealing with earth sign majorly, because we have Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles and King of Pentacles with us, okay? So maybe some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have wands as well, fire sign, with the six of wands and page of wands. So some of you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have Aries again in this reading. Okay. Yes. So that was the reading for Libra. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.